Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Delta Dental Insurance account, member setup guide step by step clearly. To register your Delta Dental Insurance account, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in the URL for Delta Dental's official website. Once the page loads, look for the login option located in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, find the link that says Create Account or Register. Click on this link. A new page will open with instructions for creating your account. You will need to enter your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and email address. This ID number can typically be found on your insurance card. After entering your details, create a username and password. Make sure your password meets the specified requirements for security. Once everything is filled in, review the information for accuracy. Scroll down and agree to any terms and conditions if prompted. When ready, click the Submit or Create Account button. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message from Delta Dental. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Delta Dental login page. Enter your username and password to log in. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your Delta Dental Insurance account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.